Hello and welcome. It's Gilly here. I'm going for something weird and wonderful today. I've just got these crazy ideas in my head to try something. Whether it'll work will be another story. It's completely sort of random. I've got in my head what I want to do, but whether it'll turn out that way is obviously a different story. So I'm going to start off, as you see, with this burnt umber, but I'm going to do some weird and wonderful things along the way. I hope that you stay with me, and I'll jump in where I feel I need to, but I was definitely in the zone when I was doing this. As I said, I knew what I wanted to achieve, but whether I get there or not, let's see. Well, I couldn't be happier with that corner there and those supercells, and now I'm going for real crazy. So yeah, bear with me because I do actually love the end result of this one, but it is just a crazy, crazy thing. yes, this piece was definitely crazy and manic and everything in between, but I absolutely I love the colour combo, I love the effects of the different techniques. I really love the way it turned out. I hope that you do too. Hope that you love a bit of crazy in your life, especially if it's only in the art room. So take care, my lovelies, and I will be back soon. Bye for now.